success. Everybody's looking for it, everybody wants it, but not everybody is willing to do what it takes to have success. A lot of people are looking for what we call microwavable success. They want it right now. They don't want to go through any struggle, any hardship, any pain, any kind of learning curve. They don't want to go through it. But what I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that you know what? You got to go through it. You got to go through the learning curve, which can be quite uncomfortable and irritating and agitating, and because you want it right now. You got to go through, the marketing, the branding, the time it takes. You don't know what you don't know. So it's going to take time. Yes, it's going to take time. But in the end, my friend, you win. In the end, you win. Don't be afraid, guys, to go through what you need to go through and to do what's necessary. I was talking to my son today, and we were talking about, building our business, building our brand. He was talking about people not being patient to go through what they need to go through. And also, too, we have a lot of people, especially I'm talking to people in my age group, early 40s and beyond. In our age group, we were taught about this perfection thing. Like we're stuck on perfection. Like I got to get it right. It's got to be like absolutely perfect. And you might have an idea and it takes you forever to put that idea out there, where somebody else, they formulate the idea, they execute the idea, they throw that thing out there, and boom, they have success. And then you get frustrated and irritated because you're like, wow, why that didn't happen for me? Because you're still formulating. Listen, you may not have the best video team or video equipment. You may not have the best editing equipment. You may just have a cell phone just like this. I have a video producer, but I make videos off my cell phone because I want to get the information out there. My video producer, his mind is great, and he wants to put all the dings and bells in our projects, and I get that. But a lot of my projects are coming directly from my hand because I understand that I want to put it out there. And then I can always scale, which means I can take it to another level and I can make it better and make it better and better. I'm challenging you right now. Go ahead and put that book out there. Go ahead and put that business out there. Go ahead and put that program out there. Go ahead and put your business out there. A closed mouth never get fed. But don't get frustrated. Don't get irritated. Don't get agitated that it doesn't happen like that. Just understand there's a process that you need to go through. And thank God for the time delay. Because what if it happened like that? Some of us lost our mind. Some of us may not be mature enough or educational enough or financially savvy to handle the responsibilities of having a lot of money. You got to increase your financial knowledge, guys. You got to get people in place to make sure that what you don't know, they know, and make sure they're credible people, make sure they're on your team, and increase your knowledge base. So thank God that it takes time for these things to happen. And meanwhile, back at the ranch, you're getting better, you're getting sharper, you're getting wiser, you're getting stronger, you're getting more talented. Man, you're kicking ass. And that's what you want to be doing. So the moral of the story today, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, is number one, stop complaining, stop whining, stop crying. It takes time. It takes time, guys, for the dream to become reality. But meanwhile, make sure that every day you're working on your craft. You're beating on your craft, meaning that you're putting the content out there, the business out there, the marketing out there. You letting people know who you are and what you have to offer. Pay attention to the activity. That's what I would say. Don't so much focus on the results, because the results can get you in trouble. Because if it's not happening as fast enough, you might quit. But focus on the activity. Ask yourself every day, am I doing the necessary things in order for my vision to become reality? And ask yourself this question: can I be doing more? Be honest with yourself. Can I be doing more? And the answer always is yes. You can always do more. And if you don't know what to do and you're saying, Gene, I feel stuck. I feel irritated. I want to take my business to another level. I want to know about marketing. I want to know about branding. I want to know how to automate my business. I want to be able to earn money in my sleep. I want to be able to create a product. And right now, I just don't know what it is. But maybe if I can get some guidance, some instructions, maybe I can go out there and create a powerful brand for myself and my family. If that is you, listen, in the subject, well, you know what? I'll drop it down in the comment. I drop a website. We're going to be having our final Supercharge Your Business and Increase Your Profit Bootcamp. That's going to be happening in November. I think it's 8th, 9th, to 10th. I don't know. Go to the website. You can look at it to help you supercharge your business and take your business to the next level. It's time to stop making excuses. It's time to stop worrying. Stop looking to the left, looking to the right, looking at what everybody else is doing. And start tending to your own yard and ask yourself, what I need to be doing. How can I be doing it? What am I not doing? And how can I scale what I am doing? And guys, I'm telling you, I'm so excited. We just got back from Puerto Rico. We had a phenomenal boot camp there. Guys had another boot camp a few months ago that was in Atlanta. We'll be coming back to Atlanta, Georgia in November for the boot camp. And I'm so excited to meet so many powerful business owners. It just gives me so much joy to see people going after their dreams and goals, not making excuses, but making it happen. And I know that's you. I know that's you. And I want to meet you and greet you. I just got to eat something. My mouth's still juicy. I want to meet you and greet you, shake your hand, and give you the playbook on what Bruce and I did to earn multiple six figures, guys, in a short amount of time. And I want to show you how to do it as well and how you could be running fast over the next 12 to 18 months to 7 figures and learning how to automate your business. That's what we're going to be doing in Supercharge. So I hope to see you. Click on the link below, guys, and make sure you like this video, share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure you hit the bell so you know when you get this message, boom, you know your girl coming with information, inspiration, because my name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator, and you're a wealth creator too. And remember, you can have, be, do anything. That's just it. I'll see you on the next video, and I'll see you at Supercharge in November. Take care and have a phenomenal day.